Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to email forms. Clinical, custom or consent forms can be emailed from the GoodX system. The client's email provider settings in GoodX will be used to send emails from GoodX. Emails is an internet service that allows people who have an email address to send and receive electronic documents. Documents can also be downloaded and printed by the user to keep in the practice's files as hard copy, or can be used, for example, where the patient can take the documents to a referring doctor. First, we shall go over how and where to email forms for the patient. Alternatively, the clinical information can be accessed from the data sidebar, where specific data has been selected. From the diary screen, click on a patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. On the diary sidebar, click on the clinical history button. The clinical history screen will open. Select the clinical form the user would like to email. Click on the email button represented by an envelope. The email workflow event screen will open. The screen will now be explained as to what needs to be completed. Click on a To drop-down menu to select the recipient's email address, which will appear automatically as it has been filled in when the file was opened on the system and the data has been created. Alternatively, the user can search for an address in Medibase. For more information on how to search Medibase, please refer to the Medibase list search user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that only medical practitioner's detail will appear in Medibase and no patient or data will be available. Click on the subject field to enter the subject or the email to be sent, for example, script for Mrs. A. Hofferson. Click on the email body section to create the body of the email the user wishes to send. Type the information that needs to be sent to the recipient in the email body section. The form that needs to be sent will be attached to the email as an attachment. The attachment can be viewed to ensure that the user is sending the correct document by clicking on the I View button. Should the document be incorrect, it can be deleted by clicking on the red trash can button. Click on the Close button to exit the email workflow event screen and not send the email. An attention pop-up will appear asking the user if they are sure that no changes will be saved. Click on the Cancel button to ignore the messages appearing on the pop-up screen and return to the email workflow event screen. Click on the OK button to exit the email workflow event screen and not send the email. Click on the Send button to send the email to the recipient. After the email has been sent, the screen will return to the clinical history screen.